Tell me that's not good.
Yeah, it's really
I was wrong. I'm disappointed. अभी भी पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, सर दर्द हो रहा है, तो दवाई नहीं लेनी. डॉक्टर क्या करेगा? लिम्का पिएंगे.
इसमें मुझे ज्यादा मजा नहीं आया.
Get it?
You get it?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
50 रुपए से ऊपर नहीं जा रहे थे हम, अभी 100 पार कर दिया है. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel for another session of R&D. What's R&D?
Relax and drink.
I'm Neeraj, the social media executive for Greater Than Gin, and today I have with me the class monitor.
What?
The head girl of Greater Than.
The brand manager.
Also the brand manager, Aisha. So usually during these R&D sessions, we pair our gin with tonic, but that's not happening today.
Or with a soda or ginger ale. But today we are doing something unusual. We are switching things up. And the team has gone and got us some nostalgic mixers. So when you think of nostalgic drinks, what comes to your mind?
It's definitely the kaach ki bottle mein thumbs up that you get from those shops.
Fizzy. But for me, it's like rasna, like a glass of rasna in a birthday party.
So even we don't know what's in store for us today, but let's get started.
First up, we have Limca.
That was a medicine in my house. कभी भी पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, सर दर्द हो रहा है, तो दवाई नहीं लेनी. डॉक्टर क्या करेगा? लिम्का पिएंगे.
It's almost like a feeling. It can make a good day better, a bad day good. It's everything. But now let's see how well it goes with our gin.
Yes.
Ooh, see, that's what I'm talking about. That fizziness.
दवाई.
So let's follow the same process where we take a sip and we judge it on the basis of 3 criteria. 1 is how good it tastes. 2nd, if the gin taste comes through.
Yeah.
And 3rd, if we would go back for another one. Right?
Okay, sure.
Cool.
Let's try.
Cheers. Honestly, I can really feel the Limca.
And Limca is also not too sweet.
Yeah, it's a well-balanced
to be a
drink.
mixer, so it complements the gin well for sure.
Definitely.
Is it okay if I finish this right now?
Not okay. Not okay. We are just on our first. We have, I think, 6 more to go.
Okay, so let's rate this yes or no. On
Yep.
3, 2, 1, yes. For sure, medicine, but still tastes good with gin.
Yeah, a very lovely, refreshing drink for your evening unwinding session.
Okay, mixer number 2, please.
Oh, we have Appy Fizz.
Ooh.
The good old. Actually, this for me is very nostalgic.
It's nostalgic, and I was one of those kids जो कि ऐसे ग्लास में बर्फ डाल के विस्की पीने की एक्टिंग करेगा कूल बनने के लिए अपनी क्लास में. For sure.
So let's see how that tastes with an actual grown-up drink. Greater Than. Let's see how strong your pouring is.
Very bad.
No? Okay. This is why you need a monitor. Otherwise, these bottles go in jiffies.
इसका कलर तो मस्त लगेगा.
How do you think it's gonna be before we actually taste?
But I don't think you can go wrong with Appy.
Cheers. Let's go for it.
I was wrong.
Honestly,
I was.
it's right how you imagine Appy to be. It's very sweet. You won't be able to make out that there's gin in this.
This is the first time I'm feeling not cool while drinking.
Yeah, yeah. Clearly, it's only for when you're kids and not when you're grown up.
I'm disappointed.
First, how does the taste seem?
Too sweet.
Does the taste of gin come through?
Not at all.
Neither. And lastly, would you go back for another one? The clear answer is clearly no.
2, 1. A very sad no for me.
Yeah.
I'm a big Appy fan.
You know, you would want to have a cocktail which sort of justifies the taste, the botanic, like the flavor which comes through, but here it's really not doing it. Just speed se ye drinks pee ja rahi hain, while production takes time to get our next drink. I'm just hoping that we reach the last one. So let's get to the third mixer. Ooh, it's red. Ruafza vibes.
Ruafza.
I've
You
never
haven't
tasted-
had Ruafza, right? Smell it.
But yeah, this is exactly why I've never had Ruafza, because of the smell. But you know, recently I saw that there's another drink very popular in the north called Mohabbat Ka Sharbat.
You have.
It's with this, it's with milk and watermelon. But guess what? You can also make it with gin. You can make a Mohabbat Ka Sharbat with Ruafza, our gin, some watermelon and soda. But yeah, so let's get rolling. Do you know what Ruafza means?
Not at all.
Think about it. Roo Afza.
Roo, soul.
Yeah, a coolant for the soul.
Okay.
Cheers to that. Honestly, not bad. My idea of Roo Afza was very different.
I'm honestly liking this. I'm not a big fan of rose flavor as such.
But you have to give it to Roo Afza. It's quite versatile. Like you can have it with a drink, you can have it with fruits, milk, as you said. Yeah, quite dynamic in that sense, much like a Greater Than. First, how do you think the drink is?
I think it's, on a scale of 5, I would give it like 2.5.
Yeah, agree. Probably 1 or 2. Does the taste of the gin come through?
No.
Yeah, no.
Maybe not.
And would you go back for this?
No. 3,
3,
2, 1.
Not for me. Yeah, डर लग रहा है.
Try it. Tell me that's not good.
Yeah, it's really good. So while we wait for our fourth mixer, I have a question. Trivia, Bollywood trivia. Out of the 3 mixers which we've had till now, 2 of them have a Bollywood connection. Tell me which Bollywood movie?
Limca Roopja and Happy with Bollywood.
2 of these 3 drinks till now.
I have no idea.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Get it? Get it?
You get it?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
I really thought hard for this one, I must say.
ये शरबत बहुत बेकार है.
एपी पियो. आज तुम्हें एपी पिला पिला के एकदम हैप्पी बना दे.
But yeah, let's move on to the fourth mixer. Ooh, Maaza. The first thing which comes to my mind are those ads.
हर मौसम आम माजा.
See, it's okay if it's sweet and all, but I don't think the consistency of this thing will work. Too thick to be a good mixer, don't you think?
Only one way to see. Let's try it out. Cheers. Can I see?
That needs to be stirred.
इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आया. इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आया.
5th mixer time.
Yep.
Drum roll.
Can we please get the next one? Woo!
Jaljeera. Jaljeera.
It's interesting how my thought of Jaljeera is like chaat, but this packaging is very fancy.
Jaljeera is one of those drinks कि आप पार्टी में जाते हो तो बच्चों को कोक मिलती है और बुजुर्गों को जलजीरा मिलता है.
Yeah. Have you ever tasted it in an alcoholic drink though?
Never. Excited to do it today.
Yeah. I think this is also a little healthy, right? So we can say that it's not completely.
I wouldn't say it's healthy. Please don't drink
Good for
Jaljeera
digestion.
considering it's healthy.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. It is so chatpat that it will automatically let you go for another sip.
The flavor of the Jaljeera is like complementing gin really nice.
Yeah.
I can still taste the gin as well.
Even looks wise, it doesn't give off like a fruit juice. Like you know how we
it
had
looks
it before.
nice.
It looks also nice and refreshing. You might want to go in for some chakna. Do you want to give it a shot with chakna as well?
Actually, I'm very disappointed that this is a 5th mixer and the team hasn't given us
Okay, so
any
let's call
chakna
for
at
some
all.
chakna. So we have 2 options here. One is a little spicy and the other one is a little crunchy, right? So I would like to go for this one.
See, for me, since the drink is a bit chatpat, maybe this one will work better. Yeah, love it.
This is like when you're hanging out with your friends for a drinking evening, a session is going on. This you could definitely
Get 5 liters of this
5 liters.
and more of this.
What do your sessions look like? Getting drunk. But no, taste-wise as well, it does equally justice, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you taste the gin coming through?
I do, yes.
Yes, that is also
For
true.
sure.
And would you go back for a next one?
Yes. Of
As
course.
you guys can see, we've already had like 5 sips. Half the drink is almost over.
3, 2, 1. Yes. This is the most confident yes I've done in this video yet. On to the 6th one now.
And the final one. Oh, we have kombucha.
Nostalgia की बात नहीं हुई थी.
ये तो काफी भुर्जी to bougie scenes है.
Like अभी तक I think per drink 50 रुपए से ऊपर नहीं जा रहे थे हम. अभी 100 पार कर दिया है. This one says a salad bar, low calorie, gut friendly, and antioxidant rich. It smells like a salad. Oh.
It's the last one,
एक
guys.
second. पहले compare करने
It's just the last one, guys.
ये
ठीक ही है, उसमें थोड़ा ice है. It's also fairly clear.
Thank you. Looks like happy. थोड़ा. Cheers. That's very unexpected.
Yeah, it's really good. A lot of sweetness, bitterness. The gin comes through as well.
The gin is actually coming through really nice. Like I taste everything from the gin.
This seems like the perfect drink which, after like a hard, hectic day, you go back home, you want to unwind and relax.
For sure.
It is a good mix of sweetness and the gin flavor coming through as well.
Agreed.
Does the gin flavor come?
It does. Really well, actually.
Will you go back for a second sip?
We'll finish it.
Yes, would love to end my day with this.
2, 1.
Definitely yes.
Big yes.
So I think we've had a nice mix, right, of all types of taste profiles.
Let's rate all of the mixes that we've tried today.
Can we have a lineup of all? Yeah, let's go from best to
worst.
the ones which we did not like as much.
Yeah. I think the first one is very obvious.
Jaljeera? Yes.
Let's go.
A unanimous decision.
The second one again.
I think the second one we could agree is
Kombucha for sure. I like the Roobza.
Okay.
I also like the Limca.
Yeah, I would definitely go with the Limca.
Limca it is.
Yeah.
Sure. Appy is 5th for me. Maaza was a no-go.
Yeah, Maaza was too sweet and the consistency was also like not ideal. So I think this would be the perfect lineup. But what
I'm happy with this.
ties all of them together was definitely the gin.
This gin.
This gin,
Great
which
that
went
gin.
in it. So guys, these were the mixers we tried today, and as you heard, we have mixed opinions about it, but we would love to hear from you what you thought about these mixers. And if not these, if there are any other mixers which you would like to try, do let us know down in the comments. And
I'll go finish my kombucha drink now.
like, share and subscribe, guys. That's
Also
what
that.
we have to do.
Also that. Bye-bye.
Until next time, guys. Bye.